1. 1963 Oldsmobile Starfire. Price, $18,995, located Xenia, Ohio. This 1963 Oldsmobile Starfire is a beautifully preserved example of one of General Motors' most stylish personal luxury performance cars of the early 1960s. Finished in an elegant black exterior with a matching black interior, this Starfire offers a timeless appearance that continues to attract attention from collectors and enthusiasts alike. The vehicle is powered by a strong 394 cubic inch Oldsmobile big block V8 engine, providing smooth acceleration, impressive torque, and the classic performance characteristics that made Oldsmobile famous during the muscle car era. The engine is paired with a dependable 3-speed automatic transmission that delivers comfortable cruising and effortless drivability. Additional factory features include power steering, power drum brakes, bucket seats, a center console, and a factory tachometer, all of which contribute to the car's premium driving experience. With approximately 78,589 miles, this Starfire remains an attractive and highly desirable classic. Combining luxury, performance, and distinctive styling, this 1963 Oldsmobile Starfire represents an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a rare and well-equipped American classic with lasting appeal. 2. 1968 Dodge Dart. Price, $17,500, located Peebles, Ohio. This 1968 Dodge Dart is a solid foundation for a serious drag car or pro street project. Built with a combination of factory steel construction and lightweight performance components, the vehicle offers an excellent balance between classic Mopar styling and race-oriented engineering. The car features fiberglass front fenders and a fiberglass hood, while the remainder of the body retains its original factory steel panels and original glass. The rear suspension has been upgraded with a narrow Dana 60 rear end equipped with coilover shocks and ladder bars, creating a strong platform capable of handling significant horsepower. Up front, the factory suspension remains in place and includes an A-bodied big block K-member modified to accommodate a super stock oil pan. Inside, the car retains its factory dashboard and includes 2 new super stock racing seats mounted on aluminum brackets. Additional parts include a new factory carpet kit, fender well headers, driveshaft, and an aluminum radiator with a dual electric fan setup. With a clean Ohio title, this Dodge Dart offers outstanding potential for enthusiasts looking to complete a classic Mopar performance build. 3. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Deluxe. Price, $29,990, located Rochelle, Illinois. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova Deluxe is a well-preserved classic that has remained within the same family for most of its life. As a one-family-owned vehicle for decades, this Nova reflects the care and attention that long-term ownership often provides. Finished in an attractive green exterior with a matching green interior, the car presents a distinctive and authentic appearance that highlights its original character. Power comes from a GM Crate 350 cubic inch V8 engine rated at approximately 290 horsepower. The engine is paired with a rebuilt turbo 350 automatic transmission that delivers dependable performance and smooth operation. According to the seller, the vehicle runs exceptionally well and cruises comfortably at highway speeds, making it an ideal choice for long-distance driving and weekend road trips. The car received a quality repaint in 2015 while retaining its original interior. Upgrades include a floor-mounted shifter and an added tachometer for a more engaging driving experience. With a clean title and strong mechanical condition, this Nova Deluxe is ready to be enjoyed immediately by its next owner. 4. 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Price, $35,000, located Kokomo, Indiana. This 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a custom-built classic that combines vintage muscle car styling with modern upgrades and show-quality presentation. Finished with fresh paint and a professionally completed interior, the vehicle has undergone extensive restoration and customization from the ground up. The result is an eye-catching cruiser that offers both comfort and performance. Under the hood sits a high-compression Oldsmobile 350 rocket V8 engine that provides strong acceleration and classic muscle car character. The car features bucket seats, a floor-mounted shifter, upgraded audio equipment, and a fully customized sound system with interior speakers and dual-kicker Solo X subwoofers mounted in the trunk. The suspension has been upgraded with adjustable Aldan American coilover shocks and a complete adjustable UMI suspension system for improved handling and ride quality. Additional improvements include a front disc brake conversion, new brake lines, and new fuel lines. Riding on striking 24-inch Dayton wheels, this Cutlass Supreme stands out wherever it goes and represents a unique blend of classic style and modern customization. 5. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $26,500, located Dexter, Michigan. This 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for consistency and serious performance. Finished in silver with a black interior, this Camaro has been carefully prepared for competitive racing and has accumulated only limited use on its current drivetrain combination. The vehicle is powered by a massive 548 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine that delivers exceptional horsepower and torque for quarter-mile competition. The engine is backed by a Powerglide automatic transmission and a high-performance 5500 stall converter, creating a proven setup for drag racing applications. A Ford 9-inch rear end provides the durability required to handle substantial power while maintaining reliability under demanding conditions. The chassis has been professionally certified to 8.50 specifications, demonstrating its readiness for competitive motorsports use. The seller reports fewer than 20 runs on the current engine and transmission package. Known for remarkable consistency, the vehicle has recorded nearly identical elapsed times during competition. This Camaro represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a well-sorted and highly capable drag car with proven performance credentials. 6. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $15,000, located Carrollton, Ohio. This 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a race-oriented project car that offers an excellent foundation for enthusiasts seeking a competitive street or drag racing build. Finished in black with its original purple paint still visible beneath portions of the wrap, this Camaro presents an aggressive appearance while featuring a long list of recently installed performance components. The vehicle is being offered without an engine, allowing the next owner to choose the power plant that best suits their goals. The car includes a brand new Level 5 FTI transmission, a new strange 3.5-inch driveshaft with heavy-duty joints, and a strange nodular iron center section equipped with 4.30 gears. Additional upgrades include a Motion Raceworks shifter, transmission catch can, derail transmission cooler, hooker headers, Willwood rear brake rotors, and a painless wiring harness. The slicks and front tires have seen very limited use, while all recently installed components remain essentially new. Although the vehicle does not include a title, it offers substantial value through its extensive upgrades and strong racing potential for serious performance enthusiasts. 7. 1951 Henry J. Nitrous Drag Car. Price, $15,000, located Jackson, Wisconsin. This 1951 Henry J. Nitrous drag car is a unique piece of American drag racing history built specifically for high-performance competition. Featuring an original steel body combined with a lightweight 3-piece fiberglass front end, the car maintains its classic appearance while benefiting from race-focused engineering. The chassis includes a full roll cage, straight axle front suspension, ladder bar rear suspension, wheelie bars, and a durable 1957 Oldsmobile rear end fitted with aggressive 5.11 gears. Power comes from a highly modified 327 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine built with 4-bolt mains, Arias high compression pistons, trick flow aluminum cylinder heads, and a solid roller camshaft. A nitrous cheater plate system adds additional horsepower when needed, while the engine is designed to operate at extremely high engine speeds. Backing the engine is a turbo 400 transmission equipped with a reverse pattern valve body, trans brake, and high stall converter. Known as Canned Heat, this Henry J has appeared at numerous nostalgia drag racing events and remains a distinctive and memorable competition vehicle. 8. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price, $75,000, located Bath, Michigan. This 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air is a professionally built performance machine that combines one of America's most iconic classic car designs with modern race-inspired engineering. Retaining an all-steel body, the vehicle has been constructed on a full square-tube chassis built by March Chassis, providing exceptional strength, rigidity, and handling capabilities. The result is a highly refined custom build that maintains the timeless appearance of the legendary Tri-5 Chevrolet. Power is supplied by a brand new GM 572 cubic inch crate engine designed for race fuel applications and capable of delivering tremendous horsepower and torque. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 4.56 gears. A professionally engineered 4-link suspension system helps transfer power efficiently while maintaining stability. Finished in an attractive green exterior with a silver interior, this Bel Air has accumulated fewer than 1,000 miles since completion. Combining classic styling, premium components, and impressive performance, this Chevrolet represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors and serious enthusiasts alike. 9. 1967 Pontiac GTO. Price, $55,000, located Crystal Lake, Illinois. This 1967 Pontiac GTO is a purpose-built drag racing machine engineered for exceptional performance and consistency. Based on a genuine GTO platform, identified by its desirable 242 designation, the vehicle has been transformed into a highly competitive race car utilizing a professionally constructed competition motorsports chassis. The chassis carries NHRA certification and has been built to meet demanding racing standards. Power comes from a massive 707 cubic inch aluminum engine fitted with premium Sonny's racing cylinder heads and dual dominator carburetors. The combination is capable of delivering extraordinary horsepower both naturally aspirated and with the assistance of its advanced nitrous system. A Top Gun 3-stage nitrous setup provides additional performance, while a racepack monitoring system allows detailed data collection and tuning analysis. The drivetrain includes a proven Powerglide transmission, Mark Williams 9-inch rear end, adjustable Penske shocks, and a 4-link rear suspension system. The vehicle is also equipped with a modern 16-volt electrical system. Capable of impressive elapsed times, this Pontiac GTO represents a serious opportunity for racers seeking a professionally built competition car. 10. 1970 Chevrolet Impala. Price, $13,500, located Peru, Indiana. This 1970 Chevrolet Impala is a classic full-size American sedan that has been upgraded with modern Chevrolet LS power for improved reliability and performance. Finished in a vibrant red exterior, this Impala maintains its timeless styling while benefiting from a practical drivetrain combination that makes it enjoyable for everyday cruising. Under the hood is a 5.3-liter LS V8 engine equipped with a carbureted fuel system, providing dependable performance and straightforward maintenance. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, creating a proven combination known for durability and smooth operation. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new fuel tank, refreshed braking system, updated exhaust components, and additional improvements that contribute to the vehicle's overall drivability. The seller reports that the car runs well and can be driven daily with confidence. The floors and trunk are reported to be in good condition, providing a solid foundation for long-term ownership. Riding on distinctive 13-inch Dayton wheels, this Impala combines classic Chevrolet styling with modern V8 performance, making it an appealing cruiser for enthusiasts seeking comfort and character. 11. 1966 Chevrolet Caprice Coupe. Price, $28,000, located Harrison, Ohio. This 1966 Chevrolet Caprice Coupe is a beautifully preserved full-size classic that combines originality, comfort, and performance. Powered by its original 396 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine, this Caprice remains remarkably authentic while benefiting from several carefully selected upgrades. The engine features an aftermarket camshaft, aluminum intake manifold, Holley 750 carburetor, and a 2500 stall converter, providing stronger performance while maintaining excellent street manners. The vehicle is equipped with factory air conditioning and retains its original drivetrain, interior, and low reported mileage. Additional features include front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, and a positraction rear end that enhances traction and overall drivability. The seller reports that the car is completely rust-free and remains one of the finest examples of its kind. Finished in white, this Chevrolet presents exceptionally well and has earned recognition at numerous automotive events. Included with the vehicle is its original build sheet, adding to its authenticity and collector appeal. This Caprice offers a rare combination of originality, performance, and documentation that is increasingly difficult to find in today's classic car market. 12. 1967 Ford Mustang GT Coupe 2D. Price, $50,000, located Pinckney, Michigan. This 1967 Ford Mustang GT Coupe is a highly desirable S-Code example powered by the legendary 390 cubic inch V8 engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. As a genuine GT model, this Mustang represents one of the most sought-after performance combinations available during the golden era of American muscle cars. The seller has owned the vehicle since 1979, demonstrating decades of dedicated ownership and care. The car has been extensively upgraded to provide modern handling and braking performance without sacrificing its classic character. Recent improvements include 4-wheel disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, and a coilover suspension system that significantly enhances ride quality and cornering capability. These upgrades make the vehicle more enjoyable and confidence-inspiring to drive while preserving its authentic muscle car appeal. Finished in striking red with a black interior, this Mustang presents an aggressive and timeless appearance. The vehicle remains in very good condition and includes supporting documentation, including a MARTI report. Combining rarity, performance, and long-term ownership history, this GT Mustang represents an exceptional opportunity for serious collectors and enthusiasts.